Hello everyone. Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to introduce the concept of functions. So, what is a function? A function is a special type of relation between two sets, where each input has exactly one output. In other words, if you put something in, you always know what will come out. For example, think about a machine. You put a number inside, the machine applies a rule, and then it gives you a result. If the machine rule is multiply by 2, then input 3 gives output 6, input 5 gives output 10, and so on. That's a function. We usually write functions as f of x here. X is the input, and f of x is the output after applying the rule. For example, if OF of x is equal to x plus 3, then OF of 2 is equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5.def of 7 is equal to 7 plus 3, which is 10. Another important thing, functions are different from general relations. In a function, every input has only one output. For example, the relation y equals x squared is a function, because for each x there is a unique y, but something like x squared equals 9 is not a function. If we try to solve backwards, because x can be positive 3 or negative 3 for the same y. Let's also look at a quick example with a table of values. If f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, then when x equals 1, f of 1 is equal to 3. When x equals 2, f of 2 is equal to 5. When x equals 3, f of 3 is equal to 7. This gives us a simple mapping between x and f of x. So to summarize, function links each input to exactly one output. It is written as f of x. Think of it like a machine that takes input and produces output based on a rule. And that's your introduction to functions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials. See you next time.